welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iddah and this is my channel. If you're new here, babe, thank you so much for joining us. Kindly support us by liking, sharing and subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being back. So guys, yeah, so today I'm going to do the artificial locks. It's funny how I've not even booked an appointment. It's currently it's 5 to 2. Oh my days. Yeah, it's 5 minutes to 2. I really hope I'll be done. Like usually it takes a max of like 2 to 3 hours. I've done this before, so I think by 4 I should be done, or by 5 6. Oh, for long. And the funny part is, not even the funny part, where I'm going to have my installation, you know, kind of very crowded. I don't know, I've been thinking about this like the whole day, like the whole morning. That's why I had not been able to like attend to that. But yeah, I'm gonna attend to that like right now. So I want to I've already showered, I've already dressed up. So this is my, I'll show you guys my full fit later. So I just want to finish a few things in my house, and then yeah, so like I said, I'm going to get that show locks. I've had them before for over a year and like a month. So yeah, this time I'm gonna try a different color, same length. Yeah, because I don't want them short and I don't want them, I just, yes, the same length as last time. That is the mid back. There's the mid back, and then there's the waist. Yeah, I'm gonna do the mid back. So yeah, yeah, I haven't eaten the whole day. I'm so hungry. I think I'll nitenda kwa local. I eat, I might just grab that pizza slice and chicken, and I don't know, I don't know. I think I'll just eat in town, and then in the evening I cannot eat fries because I've been eating fries like on a daily, on repeat. Okay, now I fuck my weight because hey. Anyway guys, this is me. Yeah, I really love this cape. It's my brother's and it's written BMW, which is crazy. Minim Demwa Benzo. Not me saying Minim Demwa Benzo as if I own one, but yeah, I'm manifesting one, inshallah. So yeah, let me show you guys my full fit. Okay, so this is my full fit, guys. I look, one thing about me, hish, the only thing that will look bad with me is ngotumba, lakini trust me to, like, it's just a simple look. I was to wear my wide-legged pants, but ish, izo pants nimezva, and then I have like 3 of them. So like ish nimezva mpaka no. So ish any nimenuna mpaka my hips zinakata fit kongo. And also this is a skirt I got from a friend. Yeah, and then that's me, guys. Jamani, Mungu fundi nyinyi. So yeah, sorry guys, that was my alarm. Like I said, it was 5 minutes to 2, so nikama ilikuwa ishafika. So yeah, so this is my feet. I'll just put on some sandals, and then let me finish up everything. I'm gonna do like a mini haul of what. So if you've been on my gram, I posted about this choco mask. Choco mask. I found, I discovered, okay, I didn't discover per se, but okay, I did discover, like I usually see them around your place, and then yeah, I decided to try them out, and this choco mask yangu ilikuwa imeisha, so I'm really glad I'm able to like get one. So let me just, one thing about hizi nini, huwa zinanipa migraine. Kama jana nimezinusa hizi perfume, nimeona kichwa nyinyi. And then this is a refill. Jamani imeisha. Ilikuwa ya Coco Chanel na Baccarat. The reason why I did this, guys, nimetafuta Coco Chanel Nairobi. And then this is a trick for girls who have like migraines when they smell scents like me. You just apply them huku kwa masikio, huku nyuma, and huku, and then maybe sasa huku kwa like elbows or nini, away from your nose. Utaumwa na kichwa. But if you do hivi sijui nini, the kama unaona choco mask nimefanya hivyo kwa sababu it's not as strong. One thing about easy refills, zinakuwa very strong. So yeah, and then guys, I also managed to get this. Yeah, they were really quite affordable. Okay, I have not bantu lines. I have cornrows. My friend are in Songa, so I'm going to do my hair. So I settled for this one. I think it looks cute, I think it looks nice. Yeah. And then I also let me tell guys, is because I have this when you make a green. Yeah, money. Don't mind me, I'm so clumsy. So these ones, one of them is Naka, guys. Oof, it's giving Instagram. Ish. This interview is over kwa sababu wewe ni nani? Ish. Okay, I look so nice. Ish. Kwanza with this outfit. So I do my hair alafu juu nikiva na hivi sasa nitaka jamani nitaka tu. Okay. It looks nice. Like it's just giving too much. So what I'm gonna do, I'll carry this one. And then after I'm done with like my hair and everything, I'm gonna rock this one with my hair. Yeah, money. I want to slay. I want to eat. Like nataka vizuri. So I think I'll just do my gold jewelry. Oh, guys, I'm so clumsy. Nilipoteza. I'll just do the silver ones. Kwa sababu nilipoteza mpaka nini inaitwaje? Van Cleef necklace, Van Cleef chain, Van Cleef everything. Nimepoteza mimi. I'm just tired. I think I'll pass by Du Bois today. I'm not quite sure. I also want to shop for some sandals. Yeah, I think, yeah. So that's it, guys. Achani vai nimalize. This is the full fit. Yeah, and with my water, because of course I'm going to turn on the water, and then hizo glasses zangu ziko hapa ndani. See you when you see me. Bye.
Say to me now, I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
hair. Akimi nimechoka. But let me say this. The hair has been good. And actually, I never even najua lighting and I share with jamani. I don't want to sitaki kunini kuwasha light zangu sai. Anyhow, I wanted to say, like, I'd give this experience is better than the first one, because the first time I did my locks, nilikuwa nasikia uchungu wewe. Nilikuwa nasikia uchungu. Like, I'm tender-handed. I'm tender-headed, my lord. Anyway, I'm tender-headed, and like anything you do to my hair, however gentle you're gonna be, I'll still feel some type of pain. Today I did feel that, but that was because my hair ilikuwa imeka almost a week or almost a week, I guess. Someone ilikuwa imeingia baridi. Kumbuka the other day nilifanya full straightening, alafu sasa tena leo nikaosha nikafanya, it was too much stress to my hair, and that's the reason why I've opted for these things, kwa sababu easy retouch me once a month, and my hair doesn't have to like kaishiki sana, it rests, you know. And then what I wanted, the first time was also the first time nilikuwa dryer, and that experience was heck. I didn't like it, but ever since nilikuwa nazo, I used to go for retouch. Of course, retouch lazima uwekwe kwa dryer and everything. And today I even told the guy who installed them for me to be very careful and very like, I'm so fragile, like he should just be extra careful. Luckily, jamani, nimechoka. Luckily, when I arrived at the place, which was Infinite Hair Care, the same place I had my last locks, the guy who installed the locks last time is the same guy nimepatania hapo kwa entrance. In fact, he was so idle. And then I'm like, you're the one who installed my locks last time. I want locks. And I was like, okay. So another babe, I had cornrows. Alizifungua, akaziosha, akanitreat, aka blow dry, akanisonga. Kuna, if you're watching, kuna hizo kama tuta, and then now some installed the locks for me, na yendo bado with the assistance of others, of course, but yenda install, alafu wengine walikuwa wana if you watch the process, I think it will be easier for you to understand. Alafu yenda kanika mpaka wax and everything, like, yeah, I really love this. About the color, this was not even the color I was going for. Okay, this was the color I was going for from like Instagram, because again, nyolangu ni brown, si black. So sahi inaka black, but ikishachaka ni brown. So with the black locks, the main reason why nilizitoa ni kwa sababu someone could tell these are locks and this is your hair, because my hair ilikuwa brown chini, you ni black locks. So that's why I've opted for, I wanted a different color from black. So sijui namba ngapi, there was a brighter color, same whatever but brighter one, lakini sama akasema ati yo bright crochet ilikuwa inashindwa kuingia. You know, you have to crochet this thing, ilikuwa inashindwa kuingia kwa hizo locks. So akaniambia I opt for this one. When it's okay, but I thought like with the other ones they were a bit brighter and get brighten up sura yangu, but it's okay. I don't have a problem with these ones. I think they'll just do the job for like a while. Nikizitoa hizi basi itakuwa ni basi. I hope so. Anywho, yeah, at least your money. So I can't wait to start this journey again. And then I'm feeling some type of way because again, I like how straight this is. Oh my god, this video is long. I like how straight these ends are. Like he didn't twist them all the way down. Remember the last time my locks zilikuwa na curls chini, most actually after the first month nikazieka curls. So I don't know, I'm thinking of, should I maintain this look? What do you guys think? Maintain the straight ends amani, though I'm thinking of do this straight ends in a give Instagram to amejitambua. But those curls were nice, like they were really, because I like having my hair like in, you understand, so stakizike. I don't know. Also guys, this time ni mimi ama ni kidogo, akini kidogo ama ni kishangu mwa kidogo jamani. Imagine this is the whole lock. Ama ni jizele zingine zilikuwa nywele zilimea mpaka zikakaa refu. Mimi niliona, adi imagine the last time nilikuwa one bunch na kwanga 70 locks, 70 plus I think 13 extra locks. This time hiyo 17 nimebakisha strands mbili. So I don't know, and imagine the same babe mwenye alinikatia nywele last time pia amenikatia this time, so I don't know. Anyhow, yeah, I love this for me, guys. This is becoming a long vlog. So I want to, nilikuwa nimepika pilipili mchana, sikuwa nimepika, nilikuwa nime blend, so nataka nikaange. Mimi napenda pilipili jamani, napenda pilipili. Nataka nikaange pilipili, and then I bought fries kwa sababu nimechoka. It's the first meal I'm eating kwanza asubuhi. I'm so exhausted. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching till this far. I'm going to do my best to upload this by leo ni date 4. By leo ama kesho. Yeah, because next week nitakuwa na cut, so I'll be so busy. I don't want to pile up work, and I want to start another vlog like immediately. I did not play when I said I want to be consistent. So thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And also, if you haven't, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for supporting me. Tell your friends, tell your family members, tell your spouses. Anyway, guys, bye.